Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to disable location tracking in Windows 11 to stop apps and services from monitoring your physical movements. Disabling this feature not only protects your privacy, but also saves battery life by preventing your device from constantly pinging GPS and Wi-Fi networks. First, click the Start button and select Settings. On the left-hand sidebar, click on Privacy and Security. Scroll down to the App Permissions section and click on Location. At the top of the page, find the toggle for location services and switch it to off. This is the master kill switch that blocks all Windows apps from accessing your coordinates immediately. Now, scroll further down to the Default Location section. Click Set Default. The Windows Maps app will open. You should set this to a generic location, like a different city or country, so apps that require a location to function won't know where you actually live. And that's it. Your physical location is now private. I hope this helps with your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.